Mie Goreng Aceh, special banget rasanya juga. That's a fried noodle from Aceh Islands. It's really good. The taste so special. It's really different with other Indonesian fried noodles. It's make us really want to dance and want to crave more and more. This by Indonesian vendors, Selanga from Aceh. So I'm going to try this Aceh noodles, fried noodle from Aceh. Wow, the smell so good. If you can smell it, yummy, so yummy. The spices, you can taste the flavor of the spices, so strong. It's perfect and balanced between the spices they use it, and a little bit spicy, but I love spicy, so I don't mind. I want more. It's beef with the noodles. Wow, so good. I cannot stop eat it. Love it so much. It's really different with other Indonesian fried noodles from Aceh. It's different. It's really famous in Indonesia. So good, so good, so good. And they are available at Indonesian Food Fair in Queens and Philadelphia. So yummy. Question of the day. Don't forget to put the comment about your answer of question of the day, and don't forget also to click like. Ciao. Adios.